Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Up with Emma English podcast. I'm Emma, and this is day 2 of our 10-day English Fluency Challenge. If you completed day 1, welcome back. And if this is your first time here, don't worry. You can still practice with us. Yesterday, we worked on simple English sentences and started building confidence. Today, we're going to take another important step. We're going to practice English in real-life situations. You'll hear conversations that you might actually have at a restaurant, with a friend, or when you're asking someone for directions. And joining me again is David. Hi, David.
Hi, Emma. I'm happy to be back. I practiced the sentences from day 1, and I'm feeling a little more confident today.
That's wonderful, and that's exactly how this challenge works. You practice a little every day, and slowly, speaking becomes easier. So, David, are you ready for day 2?
Yes. Let's do it.
Perfect. Let's begin. Our first situation is something you may experience when traveling. You're at a restaurant. You need to order food and communicate with the staff. David, imagine you're entering a restaurant. Ready?
Yes, ready?
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. How many people are dining today?
Just one. Only me.
Great. Right this way, please. Here's your table. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I have water?
Of course. And are you ready to order food, or do you need a few more minutes?
I need a few more minutes, please.
No problem. Take your time. I'll be back in a moment.
Thank you.
Perfect, David. You were polite, clear, and natural. And notice how simple the conversation was. You don't need complicated English to communicate. You need clear and useful English. Now let's try another situation. This time, imagine you're meeting an old friend for coffee. You haven't seen each other for a long time. Let's practice. Hey, David. Long time no see. How have you been?
Hi. I've been good, thanks. How about you?
I've been busy with work, but I'm doing well. So what have you been up to lately?
Actually, I've been learning English every day. I'm doing a 10-day challenge right now.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. How's it going so far?
It's going well. At first, I was nervous, but now I'm starting to feel more confident.
That's great to hear. Keep it up.
Thanks, I will.
Excellent, David. That was a natural conversation. You used expressions like long time no see, how have you been, and what have you been up to lately. These are useful expressions for everyday conversations. Let's do one more real-life situation. Imagine you're visiting a new city. You're lost. You need to find the train station. I'll be a stranger on the street. David, go ahead.
Excuse me?
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm looking for the train station. Can you help me?
Of course. The train station is very close. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. You'll see it on your right.
Okay, so I go straight, then turn left?
Exactly. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Wonderful, David. You asked politely, you confirmed the directions, and you thanked the person. Those are excellent communication skills.
Thank you, Emma. This is really helpful. I feel like I can actually use these sentences in real life.
You absolutely can. That's the whole point of this challenge. We don't want you to only understand English. We want you to use it. Okay, everyone. Now it's time for listen and repeat. This is one of the most important parts of our practice. I'll say a sentence. David will repeat it, and you should repeat it with him. Don't just listen. Speak out loud. Ready? Let's go. I am learning English. I
am learning English.
practice every day.
I practice every day.
I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I want to improve my fluency.
I want to improve my fluency.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I listen to English every day.
I listen to English every day.
I speak English with confidence.
I speak English with confidence.
I understand more every day.
I understand more every day.
I enjoy learning English.
I enjoy learning English.
I'm proud of my progress.
I'm proud of my progress.
Excellent. Don't worry if you don't sound perfect. Keep repeating. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. Now let's learn 8 useful English words. These are words you'll hear and use frequently. David, ready?
Yes, let's learn some new words.
Great. Word 1, practice. Practice means doing something again and again to get better. For example, I practice English every day. David, can you use practice in a sentence?
I practice speaking English with my friends.
Perfect. Word 2, improve. Improve means to get better. For example, I want to improve my English skills. David.
I improved my listening by watching English videos.
Excellent. Word 3, confident. Confident means you believe in yourself and you're not afraid. For example, I feel confident when I speak English. How about you, David?
At first, I was not confident, but now I feel more confident every day.
Beautiful. Word 4, fluent. Fluent means you can speak easily and smoothly. For example, I want to be fluent in English. David?
I'm not fluent yet, but I'm working on it.
That's the perfect mindset. Word 5, mistake. A mistake is an error. Everyone makes mistakes. For example, don't be afraid of making mistakes. David?
I make mistakes sometimes, but I learn from them.
Exactly. Word 6, repeat. Repeat means to say something again. For example, can you repeat that, please? David?
I repeat sentences to improve my pronunciation.
Perfect. Word 7, conversation. A conversation is when two or more people talk to each other. For example, I like having conversations in English. David?
I want to have more English conversations with native speakers.
Great sentence. Word 8, challenge. A challenge is something difficult but exciting. For example, this 10-day challenge will help me improve. David?
This challenge is difficult, but I'm enjoying it.
Awesome. That's the spirit. All right, David, now it's quiz time. I'm going to ask you some simple questions. Don't worry, this is just practice. Ready?
I'm ready.
Question 1, what do you do every morning?
Every morning, I wake up, I eat breakfast, and I practice English.
Perfect. Question 2, why are you learning English?
I'm learning English because I want to travel and talk to people from different countries.
Excellent. Question 3, how do you feel when you speak English?
At first, I feel nervous, but when I practice, I feel more confident.
Great answer. Question 4, what's your favorite way to practice English?
My favorite way is to watch English videos and repeat the sentences.
Wonderful. Last question. What will you do after this video?
After this video, I will practice the sentences again and speak English every day.
Perfect, David. You answered every question beautifully.
Thank you, Emma.
Before we finish day 2, I want to give you 5 powerful tips. Listen carefully. Tip number 1. Speak English every single day, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Talk to yourself, talk to a friend, or repeat sentences from videos like this one. Speaking is like exercise. The more you do it, the stronger you get. Tip number 2. Stop translating in your head. I know it's hard at first, but try to think in English. When you see a dog, don't think of the word in your language first. Just think, dog. It takes practice, but it will make you much faster. Tip number 3, make mistakes. Yes, you heard me right. Mistakes are not your enemy, they are your teacher. Every mistake helps you learn, so don't be afraid. Speak, make mistakes, learn, and improve. Tip number 4, listen to English every day, but listen actively. Don't just hear the words. Pay attention. Try to repeat them. Try to understand the meaning. Use podcasts, videos, music, anything you enjoy. Tip number 5, be patient with yourself. Fluency doesn't happen in one day or 1 week. It takes time. But if you practice every single day, even a little bit, you will improve. Consistency is the key. Trust the process. Those are my 5 tips for you. Write them down, practice them, and most importantly, believe in yourself. David, we're almost at the end of day 2. How do you feel?
Honestly, Emma, I feel great. At the beginning of the challenge, I was nervous. But now I feel more confident. I learned useful sentences, practiced real-life conversations, and I understand that making mistakes is okay. I'm excited to continue.
That's exactly what I wanted to hear. And everyone watching, you're doing a great job too. Let's quickly review what we practiced today. We practiced English at a restaurant. We practiced meeting a friend. We practiced asking for directions. We practiced listen and repeat. We learned 8 useful vocabulary words. And we finished with a quick quiz and 5 powerful tips. That's a lot of practice for one day. But remember, this is only day 2. We still have 8 more days to go. Tomorrow, we'll continue building your confidence and speaking skills with more practical English. So don't stop now. Come back for day 3. Until then, practice today's sentences out loud. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and don't be afraid of mistakes.
I'll keep practicing. See you on day 3, everyone.
Yes, see you tomorrow. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. You've got this.